Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable HDMI CEC or so-called EasyLink on your Philips PFS6939 TV. To enable this feature and control external devices using your TV remote control, we have to navigate to the gear icon from the home screen to open settings. Here in settings, scroll down to general settings and then navigate down to EasyLink feature. By switching the toggle to the right next to EasyLink, you will generally enable this feature, but if you want something particular, you can choose whether you want to use EasyLink remote control for the devices connected with the HDMI cable to your TV, or EasyLink 2.0 sound control to use the CEC compatible devices connected to your TV, so the external speakers and other kinds of audio devices. Or if you don't want to control some of these devices using your TV remote control, then just switch the toggle to the left next to one of these two options. And that's basically how you enable this feature. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.